How long has it been since EXO's last album? What, 2019? It's been I don't know the exact date specifically or when it was the last comeback, but it's been a mad minute. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out EXO Let Me In MV. Yes, this is a pre-release if I'm not mistaken, but it's been a long time. It's been a long time, EXO. It's been a long time since we had an EXO comeback, and I'm thrilled and excited. Now, I know I haven't been keeping up with all of K-pop. Well, I have actually, thanks to my Twitch streams, my Twitch viewers. They put me on game, and then we check it out over there. Sometimes that's why you don't see my reactions on YouTube. But even with all the commotions that's been happening with SM and EXO specifically, like, this has been a lot happening, y'all. Like, a lot. Like, I'm like, what the hell's happening? They still released a pre-release, Let Me In. I'm guessing, I don't know what to expect from this, but it might be a little emotional because I do love me some EXO. My bias is D.O. As some people like to call him Dominic. I like to call him I like to call him Sexy One Punch Man. In that one era where he was, I love that era. I love it. He has a great voice. Baekhyun too. Actually, a lot of SM artists are known for their great voices too. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. I look so mature with my mustache. I don't know. I personally, I just look like a bum. EXO's Let Me In. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Captions on. Oh, we running. Oh, we running. Ooh, Let Me In. Who is this? Whose child is this? You gonna be throwing rocks? You don't got an iPhone? You know, it's better not to have an iPhone in social media. Oh, where that rock going? Where's this? Hilo? This Hawaii? Oh. It's been a minute. I know you had some solos too, but it's been a minute since I heard your voice. Like something new. Sir. What your voice does to my mind, ears, body, and soul, I don't think you'll understand. Anyways. Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you doing? If you like it, I'll give you this Uncrustable. This Uncrustable is kind of fire. Would you want it? Here, have it. Have it. Ooh. Was that cold? Like, was it cold in there? Ooh, what was that? Kai! Woo! I'll miss these voices right here. Ooh. Oh, doggy. Yo, Kai though. Shumin. Ooh, it's been a minute. Ooh. I'm sorry for pausing, but their voices give me chills, bruv. Did I say bruv? Stop it. Whew. Yes, I will. Oh, wow, what a aesthetically pleasing shot. Look at that. Look at that. You got a dog, a sexy ass man, and a Grand Cherokee. You know, Jeep Grand Cherokees are for manly men. Anyways. I know I saw Suho earlier too, I think. Wait, what? Your ocean curly pulling me down. Go ahead and devour me whenever you want me. I'll go. Ooh, little black book. What you writing in there? What an interesting. Whoa, what the hell? My dead ass forgot that EXO got superpowers too. Hey yo, where'd that bird come from? Ooh, the high falsettos? What happened to the dog though? I'm worried about him. Ooh. Why they, you know what? They are looking up the sky like they're about to save the world right now. Which they are. Which they are. They saving you right now. They saving you. With their sexy ass voice and looks and talented dance skills and acting skills and powers. Ooh. Wait, is someone pouring him or is he pouring it with his telekinesis? Wait. Oh my god, I thought he was doing it with his mind for a second. I don't know why. I was going back in time though. Everything. Ooh. Better get that. You better get that. You know what this is? You know what this? You know how I feel right now? You know that girl or that lady that went viral in the subway, just like body rolled on the subway like that? That's that type of shit I like. Like that type of ish. Oh, the dog's okay. That's all that matters to me. Ooh. They're coming back too? Aw, that's cute. You better sing. You better harmonize. Ooh, the snaps are even harmonizing. Cause my ocean, that shit got me wet. What? Damn, they saved the earth. It was all symbolism. What the hell? That's crazy that SM took out the jump scare. I actually kind of enjoy it. I look forward to it. We should add it back again, I guess. Wow. EXO came through with their talent, their vocals. It's always impressive. SM always got some great ass singers. I don't know. They always find some amazing singers. And definitely EXO has some amazing singers as well. Just talented people in general. And I'm just, yeah, this is pretty interesting that they're back. This is just a pre-release for their 7th album. I think their last album that they released was 2019, which is crazy to me. But, you know, you can't like, I would love to say you can't force creativity or music, but it is possible. But I feel like creativity in unraveling itself on its own time is the best. But, you know, SM Entertainment is also a business, so there's timelines and time and deadlines, but sometimes I don't even meet the deadlines. I don't know. Anyways, EXO's back. I'm happy. Get to listen to these vocals again, and hopefully you guys are happy as well. Again, go subscribe to my new channel called Dre Day. Gonna have some interviews there, some vlogs over there, something a little bit different from reactions. I'll probably put some Twitch live streams there, which you guys should be watching my Twitch live streams. If you haven't already, go check it out when I'm live. When you have time and I'm live, you know, I'm not trying to force you to watch it, but if you want, if you're curious, you know, just talk to me, hang out with me. Yeah, I'm excited to check out the full album. I think it comes out a little bit later, if I'm not mistaken. I think July. What? Oh, it's already out. Wait, what? EXO's pre-release single "Let Me Out" is out. Listen and download it. EXO's 7th album is released. Oh, July 10th. I'm thinking June 10th. I'm like, girl, it's the 12th. Anyways, I need to go and edit this. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.